Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cheesecake cookies. These delightful treats combine the best of two worlds, the comforting chewiness of a chocolate chip cookie and the rich, tangy creaminess of cheesecake. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your ingredients to the final delicious bite. Get ready to create a dessert that will impress everyone with its unique flavor and texture. First, let's create the perfect chocolate chip cookie dough base. You'll need to cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar until it's light and fluffy. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Slowly add 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Finally, fold in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Remember to chill your dough for at least 30 minutes for best results. Now for the star of the show, the creamy cheesecake filling. In a separate bowl, beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Gradually add 2 cups of powdered sugar, continuing to beat until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to complete the flavor profile. This rich, tangy filling will be nestled inside our cookies, providing that delightful cheesecake surprise in every bite. Make sure it's well combined. It's time to bring these two delicious components together. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a rounded tablespoon of chilled cookie dough, flatten it slightly, and place about 1 teaspoon of the cheesecake filling in the center. Top with another flattened tablespoon of cookie dough, gently pinching the edges to seal the filling inside. Bake these beauties for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.